I haven't had so much difficulty removing a platter ever. There you go, got it. Now, see how I got it right under there? There you go. You're able to pry it out. That was difficult. And again, remove the tape. And the last one looks like a normal one with just a bunch of screws that we're going to unscrew, and we should be done. Alright, it's done and done. Even removing this is annoying. And if you get these Seagate hard drives out of regular Xboxes, oof, I don't know. I'm starting to have second thoughts about how to remove them, or if it's worth removing them. Not as simple as removing a couple of screws. Alright, so hopefully this last one is going to be nice and easy. And we can do some mathematizing and get final value. So if you remember at the beginning, all the hard drives together came out to about $3.82, if I remember correctly. Let's see how much we're going to end up now. By splitting everything up. Alright, let's see. How's one of those arms that you have to unscrew from the top? There's actually no, it might not be. I didn't unscrew the board behind, so let's see. Nope. It unscrews from the tops.